and welcome to 50 States of Gin with Sipping with Sam. Today we're on state number 19, which is the state of Kentucky, and the gin that we're looking at is Bowling and Burch, which is distilled at Limestone Distillery. Bowling and Burch is a high quality, new world, small batch gin that has 17 botanicals, 8 of which are grown and tended at Limestone Distillery. These 8 listed botanicals include bitter orange, black cherry, honeysuckle, rosemary, lemongrass, lemon verbena, blackberry, and coriander. The apothecary style bottle is screen printed with a beautiful floral design that you can see through the glass as you sip it, and it tastes like a garden party in a glass, which is why I've decided to film in the garden. And now for the taste test. So the bottle is pretty cool. It opens like that. On the nose, I get quite a zesty, orange, sweet citrus smell with some floral as well underneath. That's quite lovely. The taste? It's a bit spicy. It's a really full-bodied gin. I actually like this on its own quite a lot. This is a really beautiful gin. And now for the serve. I would personally serve this gin on the rocks. I think it could really hold up well, just neat. But because I want to play with that lemon verbena and the lemon flavors, I'm going to use a Fentimans Victorian lemonade to mix the two. And since it's a garden party, I think we can be a little bit lavish. Oh, that's really good. It really plays up the tangy notes, but you get that floral and the sweetness in it too. That's really delicious. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week.